If you really can't figure out what to make a video about, just start doing stuff you normally do. I promise it's more entertaining than you think. Everyone lives a different kind of life, especially if you're a business owner. What is normal to you, I promise, is vastly different from what everyone else does. I'm not saying that this is normal business, but it's more normal to me than it is to most people who will ever watch this video. I cannot count on my hands how many times I've done this, because to me it's normal. In fact, we're gonna pass people who know me unstaged. But I promise there's something that you do in your life that others do not do. And it can be mundane. It can be the way you're gonna actually organize your office. It can be the way that you set up your car. Just being normal, being yourself. Film yourself talking about what you're actually proficient in. It's just a hack. It's free content. You're not gonna have to think about it. I just pulled this out because I realized this is kind of weird. Most people don't really do this. Do I think the audio is gonna be terrible? Yes. Do I think you're gonna watch it anyways? Yes. Is it gonna perform as good as my other videos? I don't know. But I do know that I'm hauling ass sitting on a couch on a trailer on a closed track. And to me, that's normal. But, I also kind of am always out and about in all sorts of different environments. We have arrived. Do shit. Film it.